Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Gergo from Hungary. Another Monday, another video tutorial for the Gemar Creator. And believe it or not, in Hungary, in my country where I live, the Santa Claus arrives this week on Friday, 6th of December. So 6th of December in the morning, early in the morning, during the 5th of December's night, the Santa visits every home. So Monday, all the kids got presents and mostly chocolates, sweets, candies, everything like this, if they behaved well during the last year. So that's why I decided not to create a Santa. I leave that for Christmas, but a reindeer, because I think that's gonna be really cute and iconic. And we did a lot of regular, more traditional balloon decorations in the past few videos. So today I decided to create something more artistic kind of stuff, some cool, cute animal. So that's why I decided to create a reindeer today with some really cute details. So let's just jump right into the Gemar Creator. As you can see here, we have all the previous designs. Here the G-Link Plus war with the gingerbread house. It was so beautiful. But today we're not gonna use any presets, not yet, but create an empty project. Okay, so we're gonna build from zero, and we go to plain latex. We're gonna use G120s, natural and mocha brown. It's gonna be beautiful, believe me. Okay, so we will need, I think we will need 4 of this. Okay, just imagine these as a simple G-Link balloons. Okay, just slightly down, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna duplicate one of this and change to front view, so it's got a little longer tip, just like a normal G-Link wheel. I'm gonna send this, no, it can go, we can leave it at the front. What else do we need? We'll need 2 at the sides, rotated by around 30 degrees, just like here. Okay, we're gonna need another one, rotate 30 degrees at the back, so just something like this. I'm gonna send this back so we don't see it. Okay, so that's gonna be the head. Just imagine these 4 balloon clusters as a G-Link circle and these 4 at the top. It's really easy and really simple, just like that. Okay, so what else do we need? We'll need blush for the nose, smaller G110, underinflated around, yep, something like this. We will need 2 of this. It's perfect. And we will need 1 more, but instead of G110 we will use A50, inflated all the way. And we can send these at the front, so the chin is gonna be covered here. I'm gonna duplicate the blush and recolor it to standard red, because it's gonna be Rudolph. Who else? Just like that. Oh, it's already looking so cute. Perfect. Okay, so we will need white, so it's standard white. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here, but it looks like it's scared because it's all the wide open eyes. So I'll start to send this backward until right here. So I'm gonna stop it right here. Okay, we're gonna do exactly the same with the second eye. Backward, back, one more, even just like that. Perfect. So the both eyes are really looking really cute. I will need the center part, the middle part of the eyes, gonna be navy blue, smaller, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna do exactly the same, send it backward, back, just like that. Perfect. We will need another one from this navy. Okay, put it right here and send that backward until it's at the right position, a little more, and just like that. It's really that simple. Okay, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I already have a horn here, just like that. Okay, I'm gonna send this back. We will need another one of this, flip it, put it right here, send that back. So good. So good. Okay, so what I did, I flipped the navy blue, so right now both the shiny part is visible from the eyes. I don't know if you catch that, but I just flipped this horizontally because all the lighting come from the left side, but right now both of the eyes are visible. Okay, so what else do we need? We'll need ears, so I'm gonna go natural mocha brown for the ears, top view. Okay, flip it right that, send that back somewhere here maybe. Oops, not like that. Yep, somewhere there. Okay, another one, put it right here, rotate to the other side, just like that. Perfect. I'm gonna send this back. You can use raising twist to fix these into position. It's gonna look exactly the same, little more adjustments, and voila, we have a beautiful little reindeer here. Just that simple as it is. Okay, so right now I can make a group. So this one is actually just one giant head. I made a duplication from it. It's really that simple. I'm gonna make the canvas a little bit wider, 500 maybe. Yep, that's good. So this can stand here and this can stand here. Okay, let's close the G120. Let's go to the G-Link balloons, natural, and we have the mocha brown here. So we can actually make the body just like that. Okay, 1, 2, maybe at the third one. Just a simple, nothing significantly hard thing to do. Is not standard. I'm gonna need 5 inches, so natural 5-inch, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna make a duplication here, just like that. Make another one so I can cover these. So it's gonna be 4 balloons in total. Okay, one goes here, one goes here, so we can cover, and another one goes here, and maybe the last one. Oops, the last one can go at the top. So what I'm gonna do is just put these here, so it's gonna be act as a maybe the last one is not needed. So it's gonna act as a whole body for this. So we will need some feet, which is gonna be G120, and it's gonna be, let's use this brown. Okay, it looks promising, comically large feet. Perfect. Make duplication so I can make a little 4 balloon cluster here. Okay, perfect. So this can go right at the top. Perfect. So I'm gonna make a group from this. Make a duplication. So this got a perfect body, just like there, and this can go a little bit higher. This got a perfect body as well. We need some arms. Okay, that's just like a standing base, nothing hard thing to do. Okay, so let's go to GL6. natural and mocha brown, because we're gonna do some arms. Okay, we're gonna do some arms. Let's zoom in a little bit. And please let me know in the comments if you find something that is not good or not understandable. Okay, I'm really happy to help you, but I think it's really simple things. Okay, I'm going to overinflate this so it can maybe that's a little bit too small. So instead of A50, let's go to G110 to make the hands. So it's standard brown. Here it is. I know it's a little bit too big, so we're going to underinflate until it looks just a little. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, so we'll need an A50 natural and mocha brown. I'm going to inflate this until it's the proper size, just like that. Oops, let's sand this a little bit down. Perfect. So this can go right here. Need another one. I'm gonna make a group so I can rotate this a little bit, which can fit here. Perfect. And we can make another rotation to fit right here. So we have one arm. It's perfect. Okay, let's just ungroup these so I can make a whole group from it, and we can make 3 more duplications just like that. So we can have the arms and we can rotate these just as we want. Perfect. Let's just put it right here. This can go maybe right here. Good. This can go. Oh, we need to flip it. Okay, so this can go right here. So it's 2 arms hanging. Okay, I'm gonna flip this and rotate so both of arms are rising upside down. We have 2 identically same reindeer standing right here and standing right here. Oh, I love it. I love it. Please let me know if you have any questions with it, but I think it looks really promising. Okay, so the last thing we will need is G120s. We will need not metallic, but we will need a standard. We will need a green, yellow, we need red, and let's pick another color, maybe light blue. Perfect. So we can have these, rotate all of these, because these going to be Christmas lights. Okay, just like a regular Christmas lights. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna have this little back square here, so I can put this under them, just like that. Okay, send this. Now we can. Maybe it looks good like that. Okay, so why I'm doing this is one reason, because these going to be act as a screw at the top or bottom part. I know it's not really elegant, but it's one way to do it. Okay, so I was thinking a lot how to do it really efficiently and really easy. So this is where I come up with this idea. Okay, I don't know if it looks. No, it looks good with this. Okay, so I'm gonna make a group from all of this. Okay, so all of these are separate light bulbs, just like that. Okay, So what we can do is just arrange them just like this. Okay, you can even have one more yellow here, make it, these can be filled with helium. You can use like a modeling balloons to make the screw part or whatever you want to use. Okay, let's add one more red. Okay, this Rudolph can go a little bit here, make it a little bit tighter, squeeze them together. Perfect. That's why it's really easy to do it when it's grouped together. Okay, that's why it's really easy to do when it's grouped together. Et voila, it looks absolutely good. Okay, so one last thing we need to do is, let's try something. So I'm gonna add one line here. Okay, make it a little bit bigger than that. Okay, so it's just basically one line, but let's just search for a black line. Okay, so I'm gonna use this black line here, save to downloads. Perfect. I'm gonna remove the background. Quick actions, remove the background. Perfect. So after that, I can add inside the Gemar Creator. Perfect. So it's right here. I can shrink it down. And right now I can use this as a ribbon. So I'm going to send this back. Okay. I'm going to rotate this a little bit more and more and more. Perfect. Send that back. I'm gonna make a duplication from that, and as you can see, I can follow the curvature of this, but always sending it back. Okay, just like that. It's so elegant. So, oops, a little bit too big, too much. Okay, send this back so it's not visible. So it's basically two reindeers holding a helium-filled Christmas lights. So elegant and so beautiful. Two more and then we're finished. Okay, so with this I just wanted to show you and give you like different ideas how to use the Gemar Creator on your own, and how to, you know, be creative with it, how to add different kind of, oops, not that, I wanted this, different kind of characters to it. Okay, so et voila. So we have two beautiful reindeers holding helium filled Christmas lights. So let me know if you have any questions, okay, in the comments. But this can be done in no time. It's really simple, just G-Link balloons with a G-Link head with 5 inches. It's really nothing hard to do, and you have this. And one last thing, if you don't know the size of this or the sizing, let's close the latex, accessories, extras, person, and here's a standing man. You can put it right next to it or wherever you want. So it's really like a life-sized reindeer. As you can see, it's as tall as me because I actually am 1.7 meters, equally my height. So it's really beautiful. Okay guys, so that was me for today. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions, but I think that was really easy to follow, really simple to do it. And see you on next Monday with the next tutorial. And if you want to see me do something, please leave us a comment. I will happily do it for you, but you can use this really quick tutorial how to do those. Okay, see you later guys, and have fun and keep playing with balloons and keep playing with Gemar Creator. That's the whole spirit of it. Okay, see you next week.